Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to see how to calculate proportionate forward rate with cross currency rate. A very important problem sum from the exam point of view under the chapter foreign exchange market under the subject international finance. Again, a very important topic for all the TYBMS SEM 6 student. So see that you all follow this video very carefully and try solving as many sum possible based on the method that we will be learning in this video. With that, we will be starting with the video.
Okay, now let us see how to calculate proportionate forward rate when cross currency rate has been asked. Okay, along with cross currency. Okay, so let us see how to. This is a very advanced sum, so everyone see that you all go through this video very carefully. Okay, the question reads out as using the given data, calculate 58 days forward GBP to SEK. Now, if you look carefully, they are giving you USD to SEK and GBP to USD. So they haven't given us the rate of GBP to SEK. So we'll have to find the cross rate plus 58 days forward. They gave you 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. 58 comes between 1 and 3 months. So we will have to find here the cross currency rate along with the forward rate. Okay, and that also it is a proportionate one. It is a breaking up of the maturity period. So see how to solve such kind of sum. Okay, step number one, we will first try to find the using the data which they have given us, USD to SEK and GBP to USD. We will find the 30 days forward, the 58 days forward. Once I get the forward rate, then we will use the cross currency rate, find the cross rate and then get the final answer. So first what we'll do here is step A, spot USD to SEK. Okay, the spot rate is 6.4980 dash. Now again it is 30 points ahead. Now 980, when you go 30 it will become basically 5000. Okay, it will go above 980, so you will have 990, you will have 5000 and then you will have 5000 and above. Okay, so how to get that particular rate? Since it is given 30 in the next round will only come up when we have the rate of 5030. So that is my spot rate. Okay, so 980, when you go ahead of that, 30 points only comes at 5030 because this is 4980. Okay, chalo. Now 58 days comes between 1 month and 3 months. So I will take 1 month. Bid is less than the ask, so it is a premium based sum. To add premium, 30 day 1 month is 30 days, so add premium of 30 days. It will be 0.0140 and 0.0170. I add up and I will get a 30 days forward. The value will come to around 6.5120 and 6.5200. Okay, once we get that, now 30 days have already done. I need another 28 days in order to make it 58. So you will write a add premium. I need another 28 days. I don't know how I'll get the value, so I'll just note it down here this way. Now in order to find the the break parts of that, so I will write here. So what I'll do here, till here I found here exactly same way, exactly same thing. I can do it even for the other side. Okay, so what I'll write here, I'll give a common heading for both. I'll write here calculation of proportionate forward margin for broken forward period. Okay, so we have given a brief on both the side. Okay, since this is not, I'll write it here for forward period. Okay, now for bid side, we'll write the bid side. the formula is fm2 minus fm1 upon sm2 minus sm1 into the days that are required. Remember, those who for those who this is new, we have already created a previous video where the sum was based on normal proportionate forward without the cross rate. So in that we have explained how to calculate this stuff or what is all these values. Okay, now in order to solve in the sum, everyone look at this, very simple. 58 comes between 1 month and 3 months. The 58 days come in between these 2 months. The second month will always be known as M2 and the first will always be known as the M1. Okay, so forward, the forward margin of the 2 minus forward margin of 1. We are talking about the bit size, so it will be 460 minus 140 upon S, meaning this is basically your time period. Okay, 3 months is 90 days, so it will be 90 days minus 30 days into the days I need 28 days. Okay, so you subtract, you divide, you multiply, you should get the value as 149.3. To round it up, it will be 149. I'll take it as 149. Same way for the ask side, the formula remains same, fm2 minus fm1 upon sm2 minus sm1 into the days. So that will be from the ask side, so it will be 530 minus 170 upon 90 minus 30 into 28. Again, when you solve, you get the value as 168 points. I will use these 2 points under the premium. First is 149, so 0.1, 0.0149 and 0.0168. I add up, I will get the value as 6.5269, and here I will get the value as 6.5368. Okay, now this is my 58 days forward rate. This is my bid rate, this is my ask rate, USD to SEK. Okay, same way now what we do is the B part we will find for the other one. So this will be spot GBP to SEK. The value is 1.5100 and 10, so that will be 1.5110. Spot is more, the bid is more than the ask, so it is a discount. So less discount, again 30 days discount it will be because 1 month, so it is 0.0012 and 0.0007. I will subtract this and I will get this as 30 days forward. I will get this as 1.5088 and here it will be 1.5103. Got it? Now again 30 days, I need another 28 days, so I'll write here less discount for another 28 days. Value I will find it okay. Now in order to find the discount, again we will have to calculate the proportionate forward margin from broken period. Okay, again we'll have the bid side and the ask side. Formula is same, fm2 minus fm1 upon sm2 minus sm1 into d. Now the bid, okay, this is the bid size, so it will be 42 minus 12 upon again 90 days minus 30 days into 28 days, and from the ask side it will again be fm2 minus fm1 upon sm2 minus sm1 into the days. so which is 27 minus 7 upon again 90 minus 30 into 28 days. Okay, so on the calc if you do, okay, on the calc when we'll do, we'll get the values as this is 14 and this will come to 9.33, so which will round up to 9. So here I will take 0.0014 and here I will take 0.0009. I will subtract it and I'll get my 58 days forward as 1.5074 and 1.5094. Okay, these are the two values which we have got. So now remember here carefully what all values we have got. We have got USD to SEK and GBP to SEK, the forward of 58 days. Now very important. Okay, now look at this. We have to use the cross currency rate now here. Okay, now what I'll do here is first I'll just segregate it so it becomes easy for all of you all to understand this. A lot of calculation have been done here. Okay, so this was the part where we used it basically to get those broken period. Okay, remember this is the bid, this is the ask, bid and ask. Okay, these are the four things which you have to remember. Now we are going to go for cross currency. They are asking you to find GBP to SEK, so I'll write here now. This is like my B, my C part here. Calculation of cross rate for 58 days forward of GBP to SEK. Okay. Now how to get that? Again we need to find two rate. One will be the bid rate, the other one will be the ask rate. Okay, so first we will start with the bid rate. So GBP to SEK, you're going ahead with the bid rate. Now bid ke liye, remember how you have to solve it. Okay, first GBP, so I wrote it here, far away write SEK, in between you'll have a multiplication sign. Now which is a common currency which is there in both, if you look carefully, is USD in both. Okay, so it will be GBP to USD into USD to SEK. Now check GBP to USD, is it available directly to us? This is actually GBP to USD. Okay, I have written it wrong. This is USD. Okay, my bad. Okay, chalo. Now GBP to USD, if you can see, it's in the same direction. GBP to USD is in the same direction. If it is in the same direction, we can directly take the bid rate. Okay, so it will be bid. You're going to use direct bid into USD to SEK. USD to SEK is also directly given, so we can again use the normal bid rate here. So bid rate of GBP to USD was 1.5074 and for the other one it was 6.5269. We multiply it and we will get the value as 9.8386. Same way GBP to SEK, the ask rate we'll find. Now GBP to SEK, okay, again same logic. We'll have to first write GBP on one side, multiplication on another, SEK last. What is common? USD is common in both, so I'll write USD on both the side. GBP to USD is directly given, so I'll take the direct ask rate as 1.5094 and USD to SEK again directly given, I'll take the direct ask rate as 6.5368. We multiply and we will get the value as 9.8666. Yeah, okay, we got the bid rate, we got the ask rate. So my final conclusion, I can write my final conclusion as, therefore 58 days forward GBP to SEK is, the bid rate was 9.8386 dash 9.8666. That's my final answer. So this is how you'll have to solve the sum when they have given you to find the cross rate along with broken forward maturity period. Okay, I hope everyone have understood this. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.